Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about the definite article, te. We use te when we want to specify a noun. For example, the beautiful backpack. It's not just any backpack, but te, beautiful backpack. Another example, the green car. When we're talking about general nouns, we don't use te. For example, dogs like to run. I don't use te here because I'm referring to all dogs, not a specific group. We also omit te before certain types of nouns, such as meals, days of the week, months, and activities. For example, I drink milk for breakfast. He drives on Saturday. She doesn't write books in February. My friends love to play football. For proper nouns, we do not use te, whether it's for people or countries. For example, she likes John. He travels to Spain. But be careful. When the country's name starts with Republic or United, we must use te. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, the Republic of Ireland. I hope these quick tips will help you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.